Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. So, as you can see, I have some ones here. I bought these off my son because he don't like carrying ones. So, I traded out my bigger bills for the ones because I wanted to do mini savings challenges today. But first, I'm going to go through these and see if there's any C, D, or E bucks in here. So, we'll just flip through these right quick and see if we have any. There's a C, there's a D, there's an E, and C, C, D, D. Okay, so I'm going to put these over to the side and we'll go through them later. So right now what I want to do is these little mini roller dice. Hang on just a second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get my coffee because my throat's really dry. But we are going to do these cute little mini roll the dice savings challenges. And of course, you all know my two biggest goals is to pay off my car and add as much to my mortgage as I can in 2025. And I'm already getting a head start on it. So I want to get this done because I just want to get my car paid off. So what we are going to do is roll this die. Ooh, and that's a 6. So we will write in a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I didn't even count to see how many we had to start with. So this one will go towards the car payment. And I know I have multiple savings challenges that are going to the car payment, the mortgage, and stuff like that. And the reason being, guys, is because I love savings challenges. I love seeing the progress of it all. And it makes it more enjoyable to save money that way. And this little cow. Ain't that beautiful? I just love it. We'll go in. Well, let's go back here. And then we'll go back and count and see how much we have in each one. This one right here is going to go for my garden supplies. I am starting a homestead. In the spring I will be getting chickens. Let me get another drink of coffee. It's been a long night. I didn't sleep very well last night. Been having a lot of back problems lately. My mental health has not been good either. I don't know, guys. I've been trying to work on it. So we have a 3. It's just been a struggle. So 1, 2, 3. We'll go into this one. And let's see what we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, we'll just go until we can't go no more. There's a 1. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just lay it right there. There's a 2. And we'll just get this one out and check and see what we can do. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 left, so we could do it. Oh, it landed on 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not going to chance it. I'm going to take these 2 and put them over here to the side and add it to next week's challenge. So right now, we're going to count it because I'm curious. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 so far into the garden supplies. Let's go back to this one. And for the extra going to the mortgage, we've got 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Got 24 for that one. And then for the car, we have got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 going towards the car so far. Oh, wait, 29, 30. Sorry, I forgot to add that one. So we have 30 extra dollars. And guys, short, sweet, and to the point. It don't matter if you save $1 or if you save coins or if you just save whatever. Every little bit counts, and yeah, you do you. You do what you can with what you got, as Amanda over at Life Unfiltered always says. So guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.